So we are in the train station. It's easy to travel here in Singapore just by train. Everything else are interconnected. So if you are like us, you can simply look up there to see what the next station is, or you can simply look at this map coming down from the escalator. So you would know which platform to take because it is simply indicated here in the maps. Not only that, you can also see the streets, making it a tourist-friendly place to travel here in Singapore. Just make sure you have your tourist pass if you're going to stay here for 3 to 4 days, so you can simply top it up, and plus there's still a refund. So simply the system map, it's all here, it's all interconnected. Just make sure you follow which line, whether the green, the blue, the orange circle line, the violet line, or the red line to take whenever you are here. There are also systems that are indicated, so you won't get lost.
We hope that you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching, and join us in our future adventures by following us in our different social media pages. Just look for Hapinoy Travel Vlogs. See you soon!